The next 1 minute will change the way you look at parenting. Does it not amaze you how your child creates such wonderfully beautiful stories that are full of emotion and creative thinking and out-of-the-box thinking? If given the right direction, we are very, very sure that each of these children has the ability to create something truly magical. And that's where we at iNTELLYJELLY come into. iNTELLYJELLY offers a holistic approach through a fun-filled learning mechanism which empowers your child and instills in him a sense of creativity, a sense of purpose, as well as willingness to create something worthwhile. We are sure that through this program, your child will uncover a huge world of creativity, stories, and create masterpieces.